LTC, we start with 1 hour chart. Just want to give a quick update. And first of all, if you refer to our analysis since the price was within here, we have been looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. And even if you refer to my last analysis when the price was here, I mentioned if we get one more drop with the breakout of the previous low, we can consider this one as a correction in relative to this. Any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And this is what we get. And right now, for those traders, they get the trade for buy within this one. If they want to keep the trade, move their stop loss to break even, or they take out the trade in a small profit and we look for the next opportunity. Anyway, we start with the daily chart, and based on daily chart, as we can see, we are within this correction, and we can expect this one turn to a deeper correction for the next drop. We need to be really careful, but as a long term, we're looking for the reversal. That's why if we get an opportunity for buy, we'll take it, but we should know how to manage it, because for price to reverse within this one, it can take quite a long time. But the targets we can look for is 270 following by 318, right? As based on daily chart, but based on daily, we don't see any trade setup for buy. And based on if we move to forward chart, first, we have been looking for this one as a flat. That's why I mentioned if you get any opportunity for buy as a reversal, we'll take it. And with the breakout of the previous top, we mentioned the targets we're looking for is 177 following by 190. This is what we have been looking for. Then we mentioned with the breakout of this zone, we can confirm we are within the uptrend. As what we expected, the price reverse, but the way it's reversing is very corrective. All right, we need to be really careful, because if the price couldn't continue, we can expect to see the next drop. But for me, what I was looking for, I was looking for to see one move up. That's why I mentioned if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And I mentioned with the breakout of the previous top, if the price could break, we see the continuation, we keep the trade. If not, then from there we could look for sell. All right, that's why right now still we are within this correction. If the price continues as a corrective, the possibility for the next drop is very high. That's why if anyone wants to look for buy from now, based on lower time frame, they need to be really careful. And if I move to 1 hour chart, this is the reasons I mentioned. Whoever get the trade for buy within this move, they need to start to manage it. And how to look for the next trade. If anyone want to consider this one as a flag, the only way is to put their entry for above the top for the next continuation as a sharp move. In that case, the price have to tag, break, and continue the price tag within the first or maximum or second hours. If there is no continuation, we shouldn't keep the trade more than 2 hours. And if we see the price continue as a drop as a corrective, we just let it go. But any sharp drop following by flag, this is where we can look for sell. And with the breakout of this low, the lowest price of this correction, we have to move over stop loss to break even. The best things is if the price drop as a corrective, and we put this one as a bigger flat, as a running flat, as a 1, 2, and then from there we look for the reversal, because in that case, we can get the better opportunity to look for buy. And in terms of the trading, we can get the better confirmation for continuation. All right. How about if I put this one in relative to the previous one? If I refer to the indicators, MACD, we don't see any divergence. The another indicator showing me divergence. I have two different information. Then in that case, the possibility for this one to be in relative to this is very high for continuation. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.